So now let's focus on the 2026 John Pure Mathematics 1 question number 3. So in this question number, we are talking about a triangular plot of land ABC. So if we say there's a particular land, so if you take it as A, B and C, AC is 10 meters, BC is 15 meters, the angle BAC angle is this. That is going to be theta. So we have to show that sine theta is this. Okay, what we can do is, we know they also have given us the area. So we know the area of a graph is half BC sine A. So if we consider this is the A angle. So with respect to that, this is the A side, which is in front of A. In front of B, this is B. This is C. So we can see area, which is 60, equals half. B is 10. C is 15 sine theta. So once you have it, you can get sine theta will be 60 times 2 divided by 10 times 15. So theta will be sine inverse of this value. So this is going to give you 60 divided by 75. So you have sine theta equals 4 over 5. So this is the answer for the part E. Next you have to find the length of side BC. Okay, if we come back to the figure, they are now asking the side BC, which is A. So now what we can do is, we're gonna be this value, and also something interesting is they are saying theta is the largest angle. So since theta is the largest angle, and you know according to the quadrants sine is positive here, so since it's the largest, we have to take the obtuse solution. So theta is the largest angle. So we can say theta equals sine inverse 5 over 4. So we know the base angle is going to be, when you get the sine inverse, the base angle is going to be 53.1 degrees. So but since it's the largest angles, we have to get the obtuse angle, because they say that's the largest, because one has to be obtuse, so that obtuse one is going to be this. So we know theta will be 180 minus 53.1. Unless they said it's the largest angle, we can't think like that, but since it's given, it's a given fact. So this is the theta value. So now we know the angle. So once we know the angle and two sides, we know we can use the cosine rule to get this other side. So if you write the equation, let me do it in the next page more clearly. We know the angle theta is going to be 126.9. This is the 126.9. This is the angle that you need to know. This is 15 and a 10. Okay. Cos theta equals this one. So 15 squared plus 10 squared minus, you know, the cosine rule. So I'll just quickly write the cosine rule here. Cos A equals B squared plus C squared minus a squared divided by 2bc. So this is the relationship. So by here we can write, okay, c squared equals 2bc. Okay, so this gives you the theta can be replaced. This theta can be replaced. We know the value. It's 126.9. So c squared equals 15 squared plus 10 squared minus 300 cos 126.9. So this gives us the value. It's pretty straightforward. So once we get it, we know this. You have the answer as 505 is the c squared. So c will be root of it. So which will be 22.472 kind of meters. But you know, you can get it for 3SF. C is going to be 22.5 meters. So this gives you the final answer of BC. Significant figures is 3. Okay, now we know, according to this, we have quite a bit of data. We know this angle and everything. But now they are talking about the smallest angle of the triangle. We know the smallest angle corresponding to the smallest side. So if you think about this, the triangle you have is this, which is 15 here, 10 here, and 22.5 here, and this is 126.9. So this is our real values. Now let me take another color. So here we know smallest angle will be corresponding to this. If we put like a, okay, maybe B, thinking this is side B, this is C, this is A. I'm just naming it accordingly. So if we consider in this one, so we can apply sine rule. And you also have to write the fact smallest angle will be opposite of smallest side. So our goal is going to be this one. Okay, now if you consider this angle will go with this, and this angle will go with this, and the other angle would be this angle goes with this. Okay, now when we come back to here, okay, sine B divided by the side, which is 10, is equal to sine 126.9 divided by 22.5. So once we have it, okay, we're gonna get, we already know this value, so we can do the substitution as well. Let's try to get the specific numbers. Sine B divided by 10 equals, we already calculated this is 4 divided by 5. Here this is root 505. Let's get into the, you know, real value so that we get the more approximated correct answer. So sine B equals 4 divided by 5 divided by root 505 times it by 10. So we get the sine inverse of this value. So B will be sine inverse of this, so which would be 20.9. So this is how you get the decrease as well. So now we have the smallest angle will be that. So if you really think about all the number wise, we have 15, 10, 22.5. This angle was 126.9. This angle is 20.9. So these are the answers for this question. So which will give you the full 6 out of 6 marks. Thank you.